Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Amogelang T, and this is let's call it vlogging with Amo today. No, unboxing gifts with Amo. Yeah, that sounds about right. If you are new here, please do subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me once again. This is going to be a video where I will be showing you guys the gifts that my friends bought me, basically unboxing. The clips that you're seeing right now is just like a recap of my vlog. If you have not watched the vlog, please make sure to go check out. I will link it below. Please go check it out. It was a beautiful day. It was gorgeous. I loved it. I appreciated it. I appreciate everyone who put in effort, and yeah, make sure to go check it out. Please make sure to go like, comment and subscribe if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me once again. Love Amo, share with your friends and do all the right things. Enjoy.
Good morning, guys. Today is the morning after my confirmation lunch with my friends, and I'm gonna just give you guys a brief of how everything went, how the event was, and yeah, how I'm feeling, you know. Firstly, I want to say thank you to everyone that helped out, everyone that helped it become that beautiful. I did not take a lot of pictures because I was so busy and I really missed my friends, you know. But yeah, I really do appreciate it. I thank you guys for coming. I love my friends to bits. And yeah, thank you for the gifts. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm feeling great. I'm very grateful. I'm very blessed. Yeah. But anyway, I am about to show you guys the gifts that I got. I didn't get many, but that's okay. Like, I'm okay with that. But I really do appreciate it. Yeah. So the first thing I got, well, it's not the first thing. I mean, I just got it. Guys, please excuse my angle. I lost my tripod stand, so hey, it's been tough. It's been very tough, but we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Firstly, I got flour. Ooh. If you know me, you know that I love flowers. If you know me, guys, yesterday my tables were just full of flowers. I loved it. I love them so much. I got, like, usually I go for like pink, but like, you know, anything is fine. I like it. Yeah, I had flowers. And then I got a hot water bottle which I used last night. I was very cold. I got cute stuff. My friends and I, we are all students, so we don't have money, nah. We don't have money to be, like, if they could, I know they would have like done a lot more, but we do what we can with what we can, with what we have. Yeah. So I'm not very picky on what they got me. I really do appreciate it. I love it. I got masks. I got bracelets. And sweets. I got sweets. And then, guys, I really wanted this. This is what, like, I want this. I needed this. I don't have this in my room. I really need this. It's very weird walking around with a mug everywhere when you're walking around raised. Like, I don't like that. So I really do appreciate this. I love it. And it's in pink. It's in pink. I don't know what you call this. A coffee mug. A coffee flask. A flask. Okay, I got this. And then friends are the flowers in the garden of life. I think it's a magnet. Ooh, I'm putting this on my board like as soon as I get to it. It's pretty nice. And then I got this. I don't know what this is. Well, it's a glass, but like I don't know what you call this container. Okay, no, it's called a glass container. Yeah, it's a glass container. I got a glass container. And it's very pretty. And I love the verse on it because I'm a church girl. Get me. Get me. Love it. Love it for me. Love it for me. Guys, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's giving. I don't know what it's giving, but it's cute. It's no, I love it. I just get very anxious when I have like glass stuff. Not that I break them, but it's like, you're so pretty, you should never be used, you know? Yeah. And then the rest of my friends, well, not the rest of them, some of them didn't want to get me the same thing because I sent a wish list of things that I would like you guys to please get me. So I'm assuming that because they never got me because they wanted to see what everyone got me first, you get me? And then they'll see what they get me. But like I had a wish list and I'm very simple. I just wanted books. What else do I want? I wanted books, I wanted bottles, this, you know, things that I can use and raise, something, you know, practical, something like, don't buy me an LV bag, you get me? Like, I don't need that now. I don't need it, you get me? I just needed, you know, things that I'm obviously going to use a lot of the times when I'm at school. But yeah, so yeah. And then my other friends sent me money because they know me and they know that I like money and they know that 100 rand goes a long way, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, to subscribe, do all those things. I really appreciate you guys, and yeah, let's go.